Best Laundry Hamper 2023. Laundry hampers may not be as exciting as other home buys like new mattresses and cozy duvet covers, but they serve an important purpose. They collect all your laundry clothes, linens, and towels in one spot, so you don't clutter your bedroom or bathroom floor with messy piles. Here are the best laundry baskets. Number 1. Handy Laundry Mesh Pop-Up Hamper. The Handy Laundry Mesh Pop-Up is the kind of laundry hamper that's there for you when you need it and gone when you don't. This disappearing act is facilitated by the twist-to-fold metal stays that structure the basket when erect. When the basket is required, one needs only to toss it in the air, and it will pop open before it hits the ground. Pretty sweet, eh? The convenience of the Handy Laundry Mesh Pop-Up is nearly unparalleled, however, it's not without limitations. To begin with, it's rather small. As a result, it isn't suited to multiple users. There is no lid, and the mesh can cause issues with brassiere clasps and the like getting snagged. Nonetheless, this hamper is inexpensive, lightweight, easy to carry, and offers a pocket to store detergent or similar items. Pros. Compact folded dimensions. Side pocket. Cons. Dubious durability. Number 2. DOKEHOM 20 inches freestanding laundry basket with lid. The DOKEHOM 17.7-inch hamper has the sailor stripe pattern that, given the several color options available, will fit a multitude of decors. Its drawstring helps keep dirty clothes and their funk contained. Additionally, the leather handles have a throwback appeal to simpler times. However, this is where the compliments of this product end. In our reviews, we try to pull our punches on lower quality products, preferring instead to let the comparative format speak for us in these cases. However, this writer would be remiss if he failed to point out that a respected colleague described this product as hardly a hamper, more like a wrinkled sack. While this may seem harsh, the unit is not sturdy, the handles are quite small, and the 41.6-liter capacity is limiting. That said, the DOKEHOM 17.7-inch hamper would be good for gathering up wet articles on water-related outings or teaching kids to bring their dirty clothes to the laundry room. Pros. Drawstring closure. Easily collapsed. Cons. Prone to wrinkling. Number 3. Simple Houseware Double Laundry Hamper. The Simple Houseware Double is a humdrum hamper with a few bright spots. First, the split compartments provide 109.6 liters of stinky sock, skivvy, and shirt storage space. The divider allows for some pre-wash sorting as well. Additionally, the lid helps to keep the odoriferous contents from offending your olfactory organs when passing by. While these are indeed good features to have in a hamper, they may not outweigh this unit's multitude of shortcomings. When a product is shoddily designed and constructed as is the Simple Houseware Double, we'd rather just state the facts than belabor the reader with a list of critiques. This unit is constructed with wonky cardboard and covered with ill-fitting polypropylene fabric. Though it's easily collapsed and the liners are removable with little effort, these features, and those listed above, do not mitigate the fact that this hamper is not built to last. Pros. Easy to remove liner. Many color options. Cons. Poorly fit exterior material. Number 4. Lifewit Laundry Hamper Large Collapsible Laundry Baskets. The Lifewit 72L freestanding hamper is a straightforward and functional dirty clothes receptacle. This bag-style hamper is constructed from a sturdy terry lean cotton fabric and themed with sailor stripes that we find aesthetically pleasing. Additionally, the Lifewit freestanding hamper's long handles accommodate the overflow of its 72-liter capacity, making it more appealing to those folks who are prone to putting off chores. The Lifewit freestanding hamper is a simple product, but it isn't without its limitations. For starters, it isn't as sturdy as we would like for a so-called freestanding unit. It will collapse if clothes are not set into the bottom of it. It also lacks a lid, so less desirable fragrances can waft freely around the room. This hamper is also easily collapsible, making it a good choice for trips to the beach or poolside, and it's lined with plastic, which is handy for wet towels or swimsuits. Pros. Nice handles. Water-resistant lining. Cons. Prone to wrinkling. Number 5. BIRDROCK Home Premium 2-Section Linen Collapsible Laundry Hamper. Our favorite laundry hamper of the group is easily the BIRDROCK Home Premium Double. This dual compartment hamper is quick to set up or collapse and is available in various color options. It will hold up to 61.6 liters of dirty clothes in each of its 2 sections, which is handy for keeping darks and lights separate. Compared to many hampers, this is one of the heavier models. However, the liner bags in each compartment are mesh and removable, so you can detach them and easily tote your laundry to the washer instead of needing to pick up the unit itself. We also appreciate the magnetically sealed lid, which keeps smells locked in. Although the removable liner bags are great, we wish they were easier to reattach. It would also be nice if the hamper had a pocket where you could store items such as detergent or dryer sheets for folks who have to lug their laundry to a laundromat or communal washer. Regardless, we think this hamper is a solid choice, and it's our top recommendation. Pros: sharp looking, easy to carry. Cons: fiddly bag attachments.